Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer TikTok account from one phone to another. Alright, so assuming you're on your TikTok application like this, as you can see, this is my profile over here. Okay, so if I come to my TikTok profile over here, as you can see, I have 36 followers. Okay, so for this case, I'll be showing you how to transfer this account to another phone. So first and foremost, before you want to do that, first come and click on these three lines and make sure that you log out. So click on the three lines over there, then click on settings and privacy, then scroll down and then click on logout. Okay, so here I'll just click on logout, then click on logout like that. So after logging out my TikTok from this phone, okay, assuming you're on the other phone, head over to your Play Store and then download the TikTok application. So you click here, then download the TikTok application, and then after downloading it, open it like that, and then come to the profile section there. Okay, and on the profile section, you can come here and add a new account. Okay, so click on add existing account like that. Okay, and now I'll be logging in this old account, so click on use phone number. For my case, I use my phone number while logging in, so quickly I'll put in my phone number. And then after putting in my phone number, I think I'll get a verification code from TikTok to prove that it's me logging into this account from my other device. Okay, so let's wait and see. So I need to just solve this to prove that I'm a human being. Here they say select two objects that have the same shape. So I think T and T have the same shape, and then confirm. Okay, so it wasn't able. I'll just do it to repeat this. Z and Z. Then confirm. Okay, so the verification is complete, and now I'll be receiving a code from TikTok for me to log into my account on my other device. Alright, so this time the code has come on WhatsApp. I'll copy it. Then after that, I'll paste it there. And we are done. We are good to go. Our TikTok is now logged into the other phone. As you can see, it's the same TikTok, but we have logged in and transferred it. Okay, so guys, if you really found value in this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet.